Have you ever wondered what tax identity theft is and how it can affect you? If that question has crossed your mind, you're not alone. Tax identity theft is a type of fraud that occurs when a devious individual uses another person's personal information without their consent to file a tax return and claim a fraudulent refund. It's a sneaky way for criminals to pocket your hard-earned money, leaving you with a mess to clean up. This isn't just about losing a few dollars. The implications are far-reaching and can lead to serious financial consequences for the victim. It can take years to rectify the damage and restore your financial integrity. Understanding tax identity theft is the first step to safeguarding your financial future. Knowledge is power, and with this power you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Now that you know what tax identity theft is, let's delve into how it occurs. So, how does this form of theft occur, you may wonder? Well, crafty thieves usually get their hands on your personal information through methods like phishing attacks, hacking into insecure networks, or even old-school tactics like stealing physical documents. The really scary part? They then use this stolen information to file a bogus tax return in your name, often before you've even had a chance to file your own. With that being said, let's look at some common signs of tax identity theft. How can you tell if you've become a victim of tax identity theft? Well, look out for these red flags. If more than one tax return has been filed under your social security number, that's a major clue. Similarly, if you find yourself owing additional tax, facing a refund offset, or if IRS records indicate you received wages from an employer you don't recognize, you might be dealing with a case of tax identity theft. Now that we've covered the signs, let's talk about how to prevent tax identity theft. Prevention is better than cure, and that's especially true for tax identity theft. Guard your personal information like a hawk, always ensuring you're using secure networks and software. Be a skeptic when it comes to phishing scams and suspicious emails. Don't bite the bait. Regularly monitor your credit reports and financial statements. Spot the anomalies before they escalate. And here's a tip. File your taxes early. Beat the fraudsters to the punch. But what if you're already a victim? Here's what to do. If you find yourself a victim of tax identity theft, don't panic. Your first move should be to place a fraud alert on your credit report. Then, get in touch with your creditors and financial institutions to report the fraudulent activity. It's crucial to also report the crime to the IRS and your local law enforcement agencies. They can provide further assistance and possibly help catch the culprits. Remember, awareness and vigilance are your best defenses against tax identity theft.